We have successfully ticked off one of our bucket list, that is, flying in a helicopter. How was it possible? Let me take you to the flashback. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is a story to the journey of the Vaishnav Devi Shrine. Vaishnav Devi Temple is located in the Trikuta Mountains, which is at an elevation of 5,200 feet and could be reached from Katra. It is 11 km from Katra. You can either walk, go in a pony assisted by the owners, or in a palki. There are other options too, so we chose to go by walk. You will need a Yatra coupon or parchi, which you can book online or through the window ticket counter located near the Katra bus station. Identity proof is mandatory for booking the ticket, and don't forget to carry it along with you. I will put the link of the online booking site in the description box below. There are 3 paths to reach the Vaishnav Devi Shrine. The tickets and ID proof are checked at the Ban Ganga stop. There are many restaurants on the way which provides refreshment. The roads are well maintained and safe. Just half kilometer before reaching Ardhkuvari, which is the midpoint, the road divides into 2 routes. One is the Himkoti path and another is the Hathi Math Marg. We chose the Himkoti Marg because it is a bit little easy, and also it is not dirty with the poop of the ponies, because it is only for trekkers.
As you enter towards this route, then you will find battery operated cars too, which can take you up to Vaishnav Devi. As you can see, behind me is the counter for booking the tickets for battery operated electric car.
It took us 5 hours to reach the Bhavan. Multiple lockers where you should keep your baggage, leather products, electronic devices, and it is quite safe. The length of the queue to darshan depends upon the number of visitors. We were lucky enough to face no queue and less crowd. And it was so easy that we did the darshan twice, hassle-free. It is said the darshan of Vaishnav Devi is incomplete without going to the Bhairavnath temple. It is located 2 km above the Vaishnav Devi Shrine. Again, you can go by trek or use a pony or palki. But there is an additional option here, which is a ropeway. But the catch here is that the ropeway opens between 7:15 am to 5 pm. So if you want to wait, then it's an easier option, as it will take only a minute or 2 to cover the entire 2 km stretch. We were done with the darshan of Vaishnav Devi and waited for the ropeway to open. Standing in a long queue for 2 hours, that too with people crowded and very close to each other without wearing a mask, made us conclude that this is not a better option during this pandemic. Once reaching the top, and waiting in a long queue, we were able to have a darshan of Bhairatnath Baba in a nice way. There is a huge space which overlooks mesmerizing view of snow-capped mountains and the Himalayas, and also the valley beneath just in front of the temple. We were done with our darshan of Bhairavnath, and now it was time to go to the Sanchi Chhat helipad to board a helicopter. Yes, you heard it right. There are helicopter services between Katra and Vaishnav Devi, which costs 1800 one way. From the helipad, it is around 2.5 to 3 kilometers trek both to Vaishnav Devi and Bhairavnath. In the end, it was a really good trip with a very good darshan of both Vaishnav Devi and Bhairavnath.
In Katra, you can visit the local market to get beautiful souvenirs back home for your friends and family. We were hungry, so we decided to go to this famous eatery in Katra and try their soya chaps. I highly recommend y'all to have the Afghani Malai soya chap from here.
So stay tuned with our channel to watch the journey forward. Do like, subscribe and comment. Share as much as possible. Thank you.